I never thought one moment could break us. Until it did. She walked away like she'd already decided, and I felt everything slipping. I called her name, but she kept moving, like the world was pulling her from me.
Wait!
In that instant, all I could think was, don't let her go. Not like this. So I ran, not knowing what I'd say, only knowing I had to reach her. And then I saw it. The countdown. 1 minute left before she was gone for good. My chest was burning, my mind screaming her name. But she kept pushing forward. Every step felt like a fight against time, against everything we'd become. When our eyes finally met, it felt like the world paused, daring us to choose. But she turned away, and I felt the last piece of hope slip through my fingers. I reached out, but some doors close before you ever get the words out. And as the train pulled away, I realized this wasn't just the end of a moment, it might be the end of us.
The video you have just watched, the visuals, and the voiceover were all made possible with AI and completely free. Imagine creating high-quality cinematic videos like this without spending a cent. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to create long videos using Grok AI for free. Recently, I made a full tutorial showing you how to write viral scripts, generate images, and make short videos using Grok AI. But each clip was only 5 seconds. Today, I am revealing a secret trick that will allow you to generate long videos, just like the one you have just seen. We begin by writing a story. A great video always starts with a good story. For this, head over to ChatGPT. But do not ask ChatGPT like an amateur. Ask it like a movie director. For example, you can use this prompt. Give me a high-emotion, 1-minute cinematic story concept with 2 consistent characters. Include a short title and a brief storyline. The scenes should connect continuously and deliver strong hooks every 5 seconds to retain viewers. Focus the plot on a dramatic chase to a train station after a disagreement. Open with a striking visual hook and end on a sharp cliffhanger that leaves viewers wondering what happens next. This way, you get a professional-level story with built-in tension and hooks for every moment. Once the story is ready, the next step is breaking it into scenes. This is important because your video will be generated scene by scene. So you ask ChatGPT to convert the story into short 5-second segments. For example, you can use a prompt like, break this story into continuous 5-second scenes, each starting exactly where the previous one ended. Make sure both characters appear in every scene. For each scene, give me an image to video prompt that focuses on action, setting, lighting, and mood, without repeating character descriptions. Maintain full visual continuity from start to finish, and keep the prompts cinematic and emotional. With this step, you now have a full scene breakdown, plus detailed prompts for generating your visuals. Next, you'll need a voiceover script that matches each scene. This helps your final video stay emotional and cohesive. So you ask ChatGPT again, using something like, create a voiceover script that matches each scene beat by beat. Keep the narration short, emotional, and paced for a full video. It should support the visuals without describing them literally, focusing on feelings, tension, and story progression. Match the tone and pacing of every scene for a seamless, complete story. This gives you a clean narration you can add during editing. And don't worry, I've included all the prompts used in this tutorial inside my Telegram channel to make this entire process easy for you. Now that the story, scenes, image prompts, and voiceover are ready, you can move on to the next step, generating the visuals. This is where using Grok AI comes in. Before generating anything, you need to turn off automatic video generation so that you maintain full control over your output. To do that, click on your profile icon, go to Settings, choose Behavior, then scroll down, and disable automatic video generation. Once that is done, click on Imagine to start creating your visuals. Begin by generating a hero shot, a strong first-frame image that clearly shows both of your characters. This becomes the visual anchor for the entire video. To do this, go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for Scene 1, then paste it into Grok AI's prompt box. Make sure the image option is selected. After that, choose your preferred aspect ratio and click Generate. Grok AI will produce several image options. Look through them carefully and choose the strongest one, because this image sets the visual tone for your entire film. Now convert that image into a video. Return to ChatGPT. Copy the image to video prompt for the first scene. Paste it back into Grok AI and generate. The good news is that Grok AI generates videos quickly and includes ambient sounds by default. When your first clip is created, it's time to reveal the trick to extend it and generate a full long video for the full story. Before we move on to generating the next scene, here is something that can instantly enhance your results. While we are creating our shots inside Grok AI, sometimes it helps to see how the same scene would look when produced by more advanced or differently trained models. This is where Atlas Cloud becomes incredibly powerful, because it gives you access to more than 300 uncensored creative AI models in one place. Atlas Cloud includes large language models, high-quality image generators, video generators, and lip-sync tools, all inside one fast and easy platform. They recently launched Nano Banana Pro and Flux 2, both known for producing sharp and vibrant cinematic images. They also released C-Dream 4.5, which is trending for its clean and detailed output. And right now, the new Kling 01 and Kling 2.6 models are live. Kling 01 delivers smooth motion and realistic scene transitions, while Kling 2.6 is especially impressive because it generates videos with realistic physics, expressive movement, and perfectly synced dialogue.
Don't do this!
This makes both models perfect for comparing how the same scene is interpreted by more advanced video generation engines. To show you how useful this is, let us quickly recreate Scene 1 inside Atlas Cloud. Copy the image prompt from ChatGPT. Go to the text-to-image section, select Nano Banana Pro, adjust the settings like aspect ratio and resolution, and generate the image. You will notice it has a stronger cinematic look compared to the version created in Grok. Next, animate that image using Kling 01 under Image to Video. Upload the generated image with Nano Banana, paste the motion prompt from ChatGPT, and generate the clip. You will see smoother physics and a more natural flow. This simple comparison helps you choose the best visual style for your story while staying inside one dashboard. If you want to try it out, click my registration link in the description and claim your free $1 credit to start generating immediately. Now, let us continue with the tutorial. This is the simple trick but powerful workflow to create long, seamless videos in Grok AI. Move the playhead to the final frame of the clip, right-click, and choose Copy Video Frame. This frame becomes the starting image for the next scene. Now paste this last frame back into the image box. Then return to ChatGPT, copy the next image to video prompt, paste it into Grok AI, and generate the next scene. As you can see, the new scene starts exactly where the previous one ended, creating a perfectly continuous transition. Repeat this process for every remaining scene in your story. Because each clip always begins with the last frame of the previous clip, your video maintains smooth continuity without jumps, glitches, or inconsistencies. Once all the clips are generated, download them and make sure to name each one in the correct order so your story flows smoothly. After that, import everything into CapCut. Add all the clips to the timeline and arrange your scenes in the proper sequence, ensuring the transitions match the continuity of your story. To take your video to the next level, you need to add a voiceover. Earlier, ChatGPT generated a scene-by-scene voiceover script, but since it's broken into parts, you now need to turn it into one continuous narration. To do that, simply ask ChatGPT. Now convert it into a single continuous narration without scene labels and merge it into one emotional monologue. This cleans the script into a smooth, flowing voiceover that's ready for production. For the actual voice generation, you can use ElevenLabs, which provides realistic AI voices and gives you 10,000 free credits per month. I have also left the link in the description below. Copy the cleaned voiceover script from ChatGPT, paste it into ElevenLabs, choose the voice that fits your tone, and generate your audio. Once your voiceover is ready, upload it into CapCut and sync it with your video clips. If necessary, cut and align the voiceover so the emotional beats match each scene perfectly. For your voiceover to be loud and clear, select all your video clips and reduce their volume so the background ambient sound doesn't interfere with the narration. After that, make sure your canvas size is set to the correct aspect ratio, in this case, 16:9. You may notice that the clips won't fit perfectly because, at the moment, Grok AI cannot generate videos in a 16:9 format and instead outputs in a 3:4 ratio. To fix this, simply select all your video clips again and zoom them in until they fit the canvas properly. To enhance the visuals of your final video and add subtitles, CapCut offers automatic captioning. Click on Text, choose Auto Captions, and then click Generate. Once the captions are created, select a template that matches your style and adjust it as needed. Now it's time to render your final video. Click Export, give your video a title, and make sure to export in 4K for sharper, richer visuals. Hit Export again, and within a few minutes, your video will be ready. This is the final result we've created.
I didn't realize she was really leaving, not until I saw her walk away from me. And all I could hear was the last thing I said, the one thing I shouldn't have. I tried to catch her, to fix it somehow. But she kept slipping further out of reach. Then I saw where she was going. And it hit me that I was running out of time. I wanted to call her name to make it right, but the moment broke before I could.
By following these steps, you will have a fully compiled, long-form video that looks professional, is engaging, and can go viral. The key steps are writing a strong story, generating continuous visuals with Grok AI using the first frame hack, producing a voiceover in ElevenLabs, and syncing everything in CapCut with appropriate sound effects. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss my future tutorials. And while you continue leveling up your AI skills, I highly recommend exploring Atlas Cloud as well, using the link in the description. It is one of the best platforms for accessing powerful AI models all in one place, and it can take your creative workflow even further. And don't stop here. On the screen, you can see my next video where I show you step-by-step how to create long.ai movies using Catalyst AI. Click on it now and discover another secret trick to make long content.